I have always believed that one should not be scared of losing. I think that really is the key. Never give up, no matter how hard life gets, no matter how much pain you feel. Pain will eventually subside, nothing remains forever. So keep going and don't give up. The more you study, the more you know how less you know. And your ego, think of nation. Compromise for your dream, but never compromise on your dream. It's not the defeat that destroys you. It is being demoralized by defeat that destroys you. Leader follows his ideology. Leader does not follow his relatives and friends. Good deeds must be rewarded by the system and crimes be punished. This is the essence of meritocracy. Leader leads people. Leader does not follow public opinion. When you remove the concept of reward and punishment on merit, the result is the utter destruction of social fabric. Bravery is standing with the truth and right. Ethnic-based politics is being used to exhort people to serve on ends. This is anathema to concept of nationalism. Truth is the power that will resolve our problems. A condemned poor man, if steals to feed his starving kid, is slammed into prison. Contrast this to a rich man's crime. Faith without wisdom and knowledge could produce bigots completely lacking in compassion and tolerance. Mothers, train your children to only speak truth. I do not have any fears, no fear of dying, of failure, of anything. That means I am very dangerous for my opponents. There is so much debate about moderate and radical Islam, but there is only one Islam. What is your favorite quote? Write it in a comment below.